Severe Tropical Cyclone Pam at 8 a.m. this morning was located about 890 kilometers west of Nandi, and it is continuing to move southwards. It is also expected to still move southwards in the next 12 to 24 hours and move further away from Fiji. On its projected path, it is expected to lie around 1,000 kilometers west-northwest of Nandi at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. The cyclone Pam is expected to pose no direct threat to Fiji, and only the rain bands and strong winds are continuing to affect, and it may do so for over the next 12 to 24 hours. A heavy rain warning remains in force for the whole of Fiji group, as well as the heavy rain may cause some flooding, especially in the low-lying areas. A strong wind warning also remains in force for whole of Fiji, and expect strong northwesterly winds, which has an average speeds of about 45 to 60 kilometers per hour, with gusts up to 80 kilometers per hour. For mariners, expect strong winds, and these winds can be as strong as 25 to 30 knots, and they can expect gusts up to 45 knots. The seas will be rough to very rough. For Rotuma, the active conveyance zone still affects Rotuma, and we expect that this to continue, and the warning is in force for Rotuma, both land and waters, for strong winds. We also advise the public that the warnings are still current, and please take heed of these warnings.